I've got my garden area, compost bucket and parts, back corner of my yard. Sometimes it gets a little rustic looking, and then over in this yard, I got a really magnificent pool. So, and they entertain. So I'm going to put a privacy fence on this fence, just to give them, so they don't have to stare at this all the time. So what we're going to do is unstrap this, and then I'm going to use these little clamps and clamp it in place, and then I'll come back with tie wraps to secure it. Not sure what to do around here, so I may go around the back of this post. I see the post a lot, and since this is on the side of the garage, they don't really see that. So I'll put it on the back. All right, I unwound it and just clamped it up there. I'm going to let it sit for a day or so, and then I'm going to come back and try to tighten it up more to see where I'm going to put the tie wraps. It's kind of a shiny fabric. Goes all the way down though. It means I put it behind here. Let's back up a little bit. See what it looks like on the 6-foot fence. And look what fell out. I didn't know it came with tie wraps. Comes with 80 tie wraps. Size 4x200. So presumably there's 80 holes or less. You see we have a little buildup grass. Hopefully that pulls off. I don't want this to become a weed barrier like when they do construction. Alright, I let it hang for 4 or 5 days and then decided it looked better on the other side of the fence. This one's facing here because I can hang things on here in my garden, little trellises and stuff, which I couldn't do the other way. That's a problem. Maybe not. And so now I just got it bungeed up, little bungee twist. I haven't put the tie wraps on. Let it hang. We're going to have 15-degree weather here in 2 days, so I'm going to let it get real cold and see how it fits itself. It's a little difficult to get this thing perfectly straight on the top when you pull it. So I did use the temporary bungees, but if I put the permanent zip locks, then I'm going to be stuck. I'm thinking I'm going to have to put a piece of wood here, like a 2x4, and wrap it, and then pull it. Pull the whole thing, top and bottom at the same time. But for now, good enough. And we'll let the neighbors evaluate it, see if they like it or not. Like I said, they don't really do anything in this little corner. All their activities way over there. And I got lots of garden stuff.